Alright, hey everyone out there. I hope you guys survived Friday's sell-off. Very strange, ominous thing that happened on the anniversary of Black Friday, Black Monday. And, well, so Monday's going to set itself up for either a big down day or, of course, another reversal. So we're going to see. Things are looking weird. I could just say that. Look, things are looking weird. Anniversary, Black Monday, big sell-off on Friday. It's just everything setting up for a big sell-off on Monday. But, of course, in the long run, this is just a great buying opportunity. So that's what you have to think. Just look at the big picture here. This is just absolutely a great buying opportunity. And unless you're just holding a couple stocks, or unless you're just, you got caught holding a lot of stocks long, and you really don't have much to worry about. I think a lot of the good stocks are going to come back strong, and now this is setting up to just make some better trades coming up this week. So let's just take a look here. We're looking at the daily chart on the IND, or Dow Industrial Average, and what I like to look at here is right in this area. Actually, it's actually 13,500. I don't have the straightest line there, but 13,500 is our next area of support, and this actually times up to be in this whole area. Back a few months ago, back all the way starting August, you see the market was testing this area, falls back, came back up, tested it, broke through it. Now it's come back to test it again. So this should be a nice area of support at 13,500. Again, the market's acting very very superstitious here with Black Monday and everything. So we'll see how the market opens up tomorrow. But if there's any type of strength to be given in this market, and it can hold on to this area, there's a lot of stocks out there that I'm interested in picking up. I've been buying some stocks on the pullback, not getting in too heavy on Friday. That's why I didn't make any drastic calls or long calls. But I did want to pick up some more Microsoft, which I do like here, because they're coming out on earnings on Thursday, and I just think that they're gonna knock the ball off the cover. All right, so you had a nice pullback in Microsoft on Friday, and a bigger pull than I expected. Very came back, filled the gap, went below that, but again, this happened not on the biggest volume, which is good to say. We had a lot more bigger up day volume. It was on decent volume to the downside, but actually there was higher volume on the upside a few days ago. So I'm looking for this to retrace back up to the $31 area, and then hopefully on Thursday, if everything comes out right, they're going to guide higher, and they're going to come out with great earnings. Everything is just looks like it in the tech industry. Everything's clicking on all cylinders. So I'm liking Microsoft here a lot. Again, some other stocks that will probably bounce back. Intel came out with great earnings, pulled back through its 52-week high. There's a nice blue screen there for you. Remember, it did break out at this level right here, and then broke out and then pulled back. So this one needs to come back above this 2650, 2660 area. Downside, I would say we have a little gap to fill down here at the $26 area. So, I mean, if it does get down to the $26 area, good buy opportunity there. Again, little selling volume on Friday, but not as much buying volume that came out and broke this thing out. So I expect some money to come back into these tech stocks. I'm not going to make any big watch list for tomorrow, because I want to see how the market opens. One thing you can do, and if you are a day trader out there like I am, is you can hedge your bet. If you do think tomorrow is going to be a massive down day, you could start trading the futures tonight, the ES futures, the YM futures, the ES futures. When they open up, whenever they open up, I forget what time they open up tonight, Sunday night, and see how they are, and see how the Japanese and the Chinese market are reacting overnight, and you get an idea of how this market might open up. So you can actually take a short position overnight and just set your charts up. If you have a charting system that tracks overnight markets, put up the ES, put up the YM, and see if we're in if we're selling all night. If you're selling all night, just get short. and that way you kind of hedging yourself against a big down open tomorrow and just cover that short in the morning. Just you know, something I'm going to look at this morning, tonight. I'll actually be on the radio tonight and hopefully broadcast the futures opening and stuff. So I'll probably be on around 10 o'clock on the radio tonight if anyone wants to join me, you know, discussing some market things. And you can go to www.daytraderradio.com. All right, that's around 10 o'clock. So just look for a pre-market video tomorrow, and we'll continue there. I just want to just touch base and say I hope everyone's going to, it hasn't gotten hurt on Friday. And we'll just update this in a few hours, and I'll put another video out after. All right. Hope everyone's doing good. Any emails or questions, you could leave a comment, or you could email me at ironaction@yahoo.com. It's ironaction@yahoo.com. Thanks a lot.